Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. If you're holding Dogecoin on Kraken and want to move it to your Coinbase wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and safely, so you can manage your assets with ease. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the Kraken app or website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Funds, section. It's usually in the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including Dogecoin. Next, select Dogecoin from your wallet overview. This will take you to a detailed page for that asset. Now, look for the Withdraw button and click it. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. The key here is to input your Coinbase wallet address accurately. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Remember, Dogecoin transactions are final, so accuracy is crucial. After entering the address, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on the estimated costs displayed. Once you've set the amount, you'll need to confirm the withdrawal. Kraken will likely require two-factor authentication, 2FA, for security. Make sure it's enabled on your account. Hit confirm, and you'll get a summary of the transaction. At this point, the funds will be processed and sent to the blockchain. Withdrawal times can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. While you wait, jump over to your Coinbase wallet app and keep an eye on the incoming transactions section. Once the Dogecoin arrives in your Coinbase wallet, you're all set. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like dogechain.info to ensure everything went smoothly. Pro tip: in 2025, crypto regulations might have updated, so stay informed about any new requirements for transfers. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay crypto safe.